Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cronus Zen with your Xbox One. First, ensure you have your Cronus Zen device, a compatible controller, and the necessary USB cables. This powerful tool enhances your gaming experience by allowing extensive controller customization and script usage. We will cover the essential steps to get you up and running, from initial setup to advanced configurations, ensuring you maximize its potential for improved gameplay. Connecting your Cronus Zen is straightforward. Begin by plugging the longer USB cable from the Zen's rear port into any available USB port on your Xbox One console. Next, take your official Xbox One controller and connect it to the A1 USB port located on the front of the Cronus Zen. For initial setup and configuration, you will also need to connect the Zen's mini USB port to your personal computer using a separate cable. Once your Cronus Zen is physically connected, the next crucial step involves the Zen Studio software. Download and install this application on your computer. Within Zen Studio, you can update your device's firmware to ensure optimal performance and access the latest features. This software also allows you to browse and load various game packs or custom scripts, which are essential for unlocking the full potential of your Cronus Zen for your favorite games. With your game packs or scripts loaded, it is time to customize your settings. In Zen Studio, you can fine-tune various parameters such as aim assist, anti-recoil, and rapid fire to match your playstyle perfectly. After saving your configurations to the Cronus Zen, disconnect it from your computer and enjoy enhanced gameplay on your Xbox One. Remember to experiment with different settings to discover what works best for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.